Welcome. This is the review of Felicia Hardy, the Black Cat from the Gamerverse Marvel Legends wave of Spider-Man 2. And I have to say that they did a really great job on the likeness. The glasses are not really removable, but the ponytail is. Now granted, I haven't played the second Spider-Man game, I've only played the first one, because I have the first one with the DLCs with her in it. And I have to say that the likeness, at least from that game, is very spot on. They did a great job on the face sculpt. This is my most anticipated wave of the Gamerverse releases that they did. I've always liked Black Cat, and I don't mind like the suit change because it's a different universe. So the suit is like really good. They did a great job on it, making it unique for the Gamerverse universe of Spider-Man, or Spider-Man game universe, whatever you want to call it. Besides the face, she is pinless. They did a great job on that, so you've got a lot of articulation there. Since this is on the pinless body, they've just got the waist swivel, and then the ab crunch, and then she has the chest swivel, or you can swivel her side to side. Now, this is always something I'm pointing out with like the female figures, that this is how you do it. You put the hair in a ponytail, and then you can move the head up, down, side to side, and that ponytail will not interfere. Also, that ponytail comes out in the back, so you can reposition her head and not worry about it, and then put the ponytail back in. I'm very much a fan of that. So this one, you'll be able to get all the little high detail poses of her looking up, down, whatever. Just a fantastic figure. I like how they did it. So you've got like a fist that comes on it on this side. You got the open hand, which is supposed to have this holding. This is one of the accessories. I'm guessing maybe this is from the second game. Something that she steals or something. I don't know. It's got like little like jewels in it, or maybe it's some kind of like weapon or whatever. Don't criticize me for not knowing what that is, okay? And then she comes with an extra pair of like, cat claw hands, which I think are really good. And this one's like the open cat claw hand. So those are the accessories that she comes with. All in all, good figure. No problems with the hair, with the articulation. Like, it's just nice to have a female figure that you can like completely move the head and everything else. Again, they did really good on them glasses, or her mask, whatever you want to call it. But face looks great. It looks like they pulled it right from the video game. I have no issue with any of the articulation. I think they did really well on it. Like I said, the costume is fantastic. But let me know in the comments, what did you think? Did you pick this one up because of the the rising cost of figures? Is this a pass for you because it's the Gamerverse? Let me know in the comments. Remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification for when my next video drops. And as always, thank you for watching.